Hey everybody, Alvaro here. Welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. In this channel, we talk about the stock market, but we do it in two different languages, English and Spanish. So if English is not your cup of tea, you can also watch this very same video narrated by me in Spanish. In this video, I am going to be talking about T2 Biosystems, guys. This is a stock that came on my radar recently and that I found very interesting. This stock, T2 Biosystems, is trading as of now below $4 a share, and I want to tell you guys about the business model that this company is executing as of now, and I also want to break it down from a technical standpoint for those who would like to take a trade on this stock. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started with T2 Biosystems. Here you guys can see their website, okay? And I made a list of 7 key points that are worth pointing out about this company. So I am going to read here for you guys, okay? Number 1, T2 Biosystems is a diagnostic test panels maker based here in the US, in Massachusetts. So in other words, this is basically a tech company that makes diagnostic test panels that are used to either confirm or rule out conditions and diseases, okay? Number 2, T2 Biosystems has a portfolio of 5 products or 5 different diagnostic test panels. And I want to scroll down here and take a look at this, guys. This is how T2 Biosystems devices look like. So they basically look like a printer, and according to their website, they can avoid the traditional blood culture incubation process that can take up to 5 days to provide a result, and instead, T2 Biosystem products or devices reduce the waiting period for the results from days down to 3 or 5 hours. Very interesting to say the least, okay? Number 3. On February 5th, T2 Biosystems said that they own a testing panel that can detect the new strain of the coronavirus that was first identified in Brazil. After this news came out, the stock went up 30%, as you guys can imagine, okay? Number 4. T2 Biosystems claims to have an innovative and proprietary technology called T2 magnetic resonance that is designed to provide faster, easier, and more accurate results than traditional methodologies. So, this company claims to have developed an unique and proprietary technology that by providing faster and more accurate results saves lives and reduces costs, which means that arguably, obviously, this company could be considered as a disruptive technology company. Number 5. T2 Biosystems has 35 international distributors of their products in countries such as Australia, Denmark, Finland, France, and many more. Number 6. T2 Biosystems is yet still a small company with a market capitalization of $434 million, and I took a look at their balance sheet and it looks nasty, guys. And why? Well, because their cash and cash equivalents position is at $19 million and their total long-term debt is $60 million. So, you know, the balance sheet looks awful, truth be told, but this is normal for the most part because we are talking about a company that is starting to develop their business model, and we are talking also about a company that is investing in disruptive technology. So when a disruptive technology company is at its early stages, they usually are burning a lot of cash, okay, until they get to a more mature stage in which they start to generate revenue and profits on a constant basis. So this is, for the most part, it is concerning, not gonna lie to you guys, but it's normal, taking into account that this is a company that is investing in disruptive technology, okay? Number 7. Some of the hospitals that T2 Biosystems is doing business with are Gregorio Marañón, that's a hospital in Madrid, in Spain. Then we have the Rigshospitalet. I must be butchering that that name. That's a hospital in Denmark, and La Paz University in Spain. So as I already told you guys, the fact that this company, that T2 Biosystems, is an American company, a company from the United States of America, but that is executing its business model in other countries such as Denmark and Spain is a very good sign, and definitely A+ according to my opinion. So guys, in the case of T2 Biosystems, and according to the research work that I did, and according also to their website, I found a very well organized company with a bunch of operations outside the US. And they also claim to be developing leading technology in the healthcare industry. So, in a world where unfortunately COVID-19 is going to leave a huge scar, I think that a company that is developing medical devices that help to diagnose diseases faster and in a more accurate way could see a huge boom in the post-COVID-19 world in which we're going to be living in 1 or 2 years out. So T2 Biosystems will definitely remain in my watch list for quite some time. And I ask you guys, what do you think about this stock? What do you think about this company? Do you think that T2 Biosystems could turn into a home run? Do you think that this stock could eventually pull up to, say, $20, $30, or $40 a share? Please drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals of TTOO. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see that T2 Biosystems was trading at around $1 per share on December 29th, and since 2021 started, this stock has been on a tear, guys, reaching an all-time high at around $4 per share on February 5th, which was the day, by the way, in which the news about the COVID test came out. And if we zoom in the 4-hour chart, we can see that T2 Biosystems is trading above the 180 and the 50 SMA lines, with the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, at 57 points. So from a technical standpoint, T2 Biosystems is looking pretty well. And if we pull up the 1-hour chart, or the chart of the last 20 trading sessions of TTOO, we can see that $3 a share has turned into a very good support. So for either a short-term trade or maybe to start a long-term position, $3 a share would be a very convenient spot. Or even better, dropping down to the 180 SMA on the 1-hour chart at around $2.63 a share. So T2 Biosystems, ticker symbol TTOO, looking very but very attractive from a technical standpoint. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done it yet. And why? Well, because we are about to start posting videos on a daily basis about hot stocks to trade the next day. So if you guys want to get those notifications in a timely manner, you'd better be subscribed to the channel. And remember, this is the Bilingual Stock Market channel, the YouTube channel in which we talk about the markets in 2 different languages, English and Spanish, but most importantly, the YouTube channel in which we know that the wonderful world of Wall Street, it's not for geniuses, it is for entrepreneurs just like you guys and myself. And my name is Alvaro, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out and keep on crushing the market.